So, kids, today we are going to learn about bridge. You know, in the last video we learned about bamboo bridge. Some children going to school through a bamboo bridge. Here it is the cement bridge. We often need to go across some water bodies. We need a bridge across some water bodies to go across some water bodies. So we use bridge. These bridges are made up of cement, bricks, iron rod. The bridge may be have steps or no steps. If you want to go someplace, there some water bodies will be there. Not everywhere plain land will be there. That places they built a bridge. They are built a bridge, this type bridge. It is the cement bridge, and its downside water bodies will be there. Nowadays in big cities, you saw now this type of bridges, lots of bridges are there. क्योंकि जो भी हम पानी यूज़ करते हैं ना, वो वेस्ट पानी जाने के लिए ऐसा बड़ा वे होता है पानी जाने के लिए. So that it is very difficult to cross the road. On that water body, they built a small type of bridge. It is the cement bridge, and to build a cement bridge, they are using cement, iron rod, bricks, etc. This bridge is built by cement, bricks, stones, iron rod. Okay. Now see in this one, some questions are there upon bridge. Our first question is, how is the bridge different from the bamboo bridge? This bridge is how it is different from this one bamboo bridge. I told you bamboo bridge is made by bamboo and ropes. Here only two things are used. But in cement bridge, cement, iron rod, bricks, stones, they are used. Cement bridge is a very strong bridge. Bamboo bridge is a very weak bridge. On cement bridge, 20-30 people also may go at a time. But on a bamboo bridge, only one person will go. One by one on bamboo bridge will go. But on this one cement bridge, vehicles, animals, 20-30 people, all will go at a time. Okay? See. How is the bridge different from the bamboo bridge? Cement bridge is made up of cement, bricks and iron rod. So it is the different from bamboo bridge. Bamboo bridge is made from bamboo and rope. Next question, how many people do you think can cross the bridge at one time? At one time कितने लोग इस सीमेंट ब्रिज को पास कर सकते हैं? Near up to 20-25 people can cross the bridge at a one time. 20 to 25 people एक ही बार में इस ब्रिज को क्रॉस कर सकते हैं because it is a strong bridge. But on a bamboo bridge only one person एक के बाद एक जा सकते हैं, बट ऑन दिस वन ब्रिज विल गो एट अ टाइम 20 to 25 person. Next one is, you have seen how children use different kinds of bridge to cross rivers and other uneven areas to reach the school. Now we have seen Ladakh children going to school in trolley, Assam children going to school by this one bamboo bridge. Okay, we have seen. Here question is there, if you had a chance, which bridge would you like to use and why? आपको मौका मिला तो ब्रिज के ऊपर से जाने के लिए, तो फिर आप कौन से ब्रिज के ऊपर से जाओगे? Yes, different peoples want to go use to different bridge. Different children wants to use different bridge. Some naughty children want to go on bamboo bridge. Some students want to go on cement bridge according to their wish. Understood? Okay. I would like to go use to bridge made up of cement as it is a more safe or easy walk on. Here told my wish, because I want to walk on cement bridge because it is a very safe and easy to walk. Bamboo bridge is a very dangerous, horrible. Okay, you write your wish on which bridge you want to go to school or you want to walk. D, do you have to cross any bridge on the way to your school? If yes, what is bridge like? Draw its picture. Yes, we have a small bridge on the way to our school. It is the cement bridge. When you come to school from your home, you will get a one bridge, that is the cement bridge. See kids, it is the cement bridge. I draw this one picture, cement bridge, and it has these steps. Okay, now on other side is there, it is the also bridge, but it is on water. This bridge is on water. This bridge is on water. जब आप स्कूल को आते हैं ऐसा छोटा मोटा ब्रिज लगता है, पानी का झरने के ऊपर से थोड़ा सा छोटा सा ब्रिज रहता है. इट इज़ आल्सो सीमेंट ब्रिज. उसके ऊपर से लोग जाते हैं, एनिमल्स जाते हैं, व्हीकल जाते हैं. Okay, so it is called the water bridge, and this type of bridges are there. These are called the road bridge. Vehicles are going downside from this one, and women means peoples are going from this way by step way. Understood? This type you should draw the two types of bridge. Road bridge and water bridge. This is the road bridge and this is the water bridge. I'll show you this one, share this page with you in homework. Okay. Next, see, find out from your grandparents what kind of bridges they were when they were young. What kind of bridge were there when they were and that time no cement bridge was there. Nowadays cement bridges came, but in that days bamboo bridge, wood bridge are there. In our grandparents' time, they had wood bridge and bamboo bridges. Next question is activity is there. Is there any bridge near to your house? Find out more about the bridge. See kids, from your school to your home, you have any type of bridge? You have any, it may be road bridge, it may be water bridge. If you have, you draw that one bridge picture, okay, and color it. Question is, where is the bridge? Over water, over road, between two mountains or somewhere else? वो ब्रिज है तो कहाँ पर है? पानी के ऊपर या रोड के ऊपर और माउंटेन, दोनों माउंटेन्स के बीच में या और कई अलग जगह पर? Most of bridge we have on water only. Yes, no? So I written here over water. Answer is over water. Second question, who all use this bridge? Is it used by people on foot and also by vehicles and animals? If you have bridge, that bridge is over water, okay. That bridge is only used by people on foot? No, that is used by animals and vehicles too. It is used by peoples, animals and vehicles too. Does the bridge seem to be old or is it a new? The bridge looks old. It built very far ago. Next question. Find out what materials are used making this bridge. List some of them. To build that one bridge, cement, stone, bricks, iron pillar, etc. used to build that one cement bridge. Next now, draw a picture of bridge in your notebook. Do not forget to draw a train, vehicle, animals or peoples who cross the bridge. When you will draw the bridge, who will cross, you draw that one vehicles, animals, etc. Imagine what difficulties there would be if the bridge was not there. Now, different topic is there. You only imagine, if bridge will be not there, then what happened? How will you come? What difficulties will you face? If bridges are not there, if small water body will be there, if bridge are not there, small bodies are there, water bodies, and bridges are not there, then how will you cross that one? No any option will come from that middle of that one water only. If water is deep, what will you do? You will come by swim? Impossible, your clothes will get wet. We need a boats. If water bodies are middle on the road, to cross, we should cross that one. We need a boat. Still nowadays one villages have. People want to go one village to another village, they use a boat. If bridge is not there, that time only, if bridge is not there, if bridge is available, they will go on bridge by vehicle. If bridge is not there, that time we should use this type of boat. This is the Vallam. These are the Kerala children going to school by a boat. That boat is called Vallam. Kerala children are going to school by boat. This type of boats are called Vallam. Understood? How are the Vallams? When Vallams are used, if bridges are not there, that time Vallams are used. Understood, kids? Okay.